गुड आफ्टरनून। सबसे पहले तो मुझे आप ये बताइए कि आपका जो वीडियो आपके स्क्रीन पे है और जो मेरा ऑडियो है, क्या वो एकदम ओके है? आई मीन मेरा वीडियो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है? हेलो मिस्टर डेनियल, सो कैन यू हियर मी? ओके, सो द वीडियो इज परफेक्ट। कोई स्ट्रक तो नहीं है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है? क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम हमारा वीडियो आ रहा था, ऑडियो में कुछ दिक्कत थी, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग। 25 people online. The moment rest of the people are coming online with us, please explain something about you. आप किस सिटी से बिलोंग करते हैं और क्या प्रोफेशन में आप हैं? रेजोल्यूशन इज लो। आई थिंक इट्स 20 megapixel camera. I think maybe internet may be slow. In some time, you'll get the maximum bandwidth. Yeah, Mr. Lalit Jain from Hyderabad, Mr. Rani from Mumbai, Mr. Verma from Ludhiana, Mr. Jain. Mr. Jain, आपने सिटी नहीं लिखा है. Mr. Gupta from Mumbai, Mr. Prashant from Rajkot, Kuldeep ji from Jaipur, Mr. Avi Aneja from Delhi, welcome. Mr. Sachin from Mumbai, Mr. Tan from Indore, Mr. Jain from Hyderabad, Mr. Nathan Pandare from Mumbai, Rajeshi from Ludhiana, Marco is from Serbia, Danjil from Croatia. Okay, thank you so much for watching us. Today we are actually having a webinar on PET film printing. It's a new technology. We are having this kind of material here. I think you can see. This is a PET film. This is a PET film, and here is the machine. We'll explain the working of the machine soon. Before that, we'll just wait for 5 minutes so that the rest of the members, rest of the attendees will connect with us. Today, we have 23 attendees right now, and let's start with some old stuff. What is the product actually? So I'll explain something about this product. A repeat presentation actually. Maybe आपने ये पहले देखा हो. Let me explain once again. It's like I hope you can see now my screen. Please say yes if you can see the 30th August webinar presentation. I am repeating it today. आज हम इसके बारे में दोबारा थोड़ा सा बात करेंगे बिकॉज प्रोडक्ट वही है. ओके, कुछ अटेंडीज हमारे हैं जो पहले हमारे साथ नहीं थे लास्ट टाइम, तो हम लोग उस पे आज थोड़ा सा रिपीट इसको देखेंगे. देन विल स्टार्ट इट अगेन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दिस इज फाइनल प्रोडक्ट जो आपने अभी देखा, जो मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया. This is the final product we will produce using that machine behind me. It's a PET film printer. ये प्रिंटर जो है पेट फिल्म के ऊपर प्रिंट करेगा. पेट फिल्म एक सेमी ट्रांसपेरेंट टाइप का एक फिल्म है जिसपे हम लोग 250 डिग्री तक जो टेम्परेचर ये टॉलरेट कर सकता है. एंड इसके ऊपर हम लोग एक स्पेशल कोटिंग इसके ऊपर कर रखी गई है so that it can absorb some liquid ink on it, and till time hot melt HM powder, it's like a very fine powder. It's a hot melt glue type of powder, and when it applies to the wet ink, it stick with the ink, and further it is actually cure into the film, and final product you'll get as a PET film transfer, which later you can transfer on your fabric, and you'll get a very vibrant, very here you can see, you can print on black. Here you can see like this, and this is very stretchable, and after many washes, it remains the same. You can print 100% cotton, polyester, lycra, blend of the fabrics. Even you can print on PU, polyurethane leather. The seat, like the seat here you can see, this is PU leather, synthetic PU leather. You can print on it using the PET film printer. So, transfer paper is usually referred to as a T-shirt paper because it's mostly used to transfer letter, numbers, images, or a combination of these onto the fabric. The application of the transfer paper, however, is not limited to the T-shirts only. You can use the transfer of the desired images onto the fabric, such as cotton bags, aprons, tablecloth, pillowcases, and even on hard surfaces like wood. So, this system, by using this system, you can print a number of applications to work on. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, this is a transfer finally transfused onto the white fabric, or you can transfer it to a color fabric or black fabric. There is no problem. So there are some common mistakes when you're using the transfer paper. I'm just repeating it. Don't forget to print on the right side of the paper. I mean, this is the shiny side of the paper. You cannot print here. On the other side is a matte finish paper side. Here you can print. The surface will stick the ink, and the final output you can print. Make sure that the print is on the coated side. Shouldn't be on the other side. Make sure you buy the correct paper depending upon the color of your fabric. I mean, there are many kind of similar looking PET films. Maybe you can use it with screen printing, but you cannot use with digital PET transfer system. So you have to take care about that. Finally, when you print an image like this, you have to print on this side. So you have to mirror the image so that you can see through on the other side, and when it's printed, fuse onto the fabric, it will like the same finish you'll get. I'll transfer this picture for a fabric for you. Again, we have many applications like screen transfer labels. लास्ट टाइम जो मैंने प्रेजेंटेशन दिया था उसमें हम लोग उसके बारे में खाली आपको बता रहे थे मेरे पास ऐसे कोई printed sample नहीं था. But today we have a printed sample for this kind of. See, here you can see this is a neck label printed on a PET film. We have printed using our system. Yesterday we did this practice for you. Here you can see. Here we cannot explaining you that you can print Nike or Puma without the permission of the proprietary company, but it's only the example I'm showing that this kind of stuff you can make with this machine. But please take care, you cannot use a proprietary image or logo for your own use without the permission of the brand owner company. So take care about this. So first of all, screen printing is eliminated from this kind of neck labels. Now you can print multicolor, multi layer logos. Here you can see there is n number of colors. I think now you can see it. This is yeah. I think now you can see. Yes. Okay. So this kind of neck label you can print. So here is the neck label transfer is as a one application of this machine. Second one, this is offset transfer labels, but you have to use offset printing machines to print color onto a PET film. Again, you have to do a practice using screen printing and white color ink manually. And again, you have to put hot melt glue powder manually on the final white coat, and after that you have to cure it. So whole process is actually very hectic, and you have to do it manually. So using this machine, you can print it in just 10 minutes to get a sample, and further you can do the production of the same product you have made samples for. Like this one here are the some example. Please show it. Yeah, please. Here is a logo of a pizza company, and now this is again HP Hindustan Petroleum logo. Now you can see most of the application of the neck labels you can make using our machine. Why we have this kind of stuff in the beginning of the presentation? Because these labels are having very small font size, and it should be printed very clear. Otherwise, there is no use to make the neck labels. So this is the critical part of the printing. If we can print a fine fonts, very fine lines, that means the bigger size fonts and bigger size images definitely we can print with a very high resolution, with a very high quality printing for the fabric. The third one is the application where you can use a vinyl cutter and a eco solvent printer to make print and cut media. So I think with the evolution of this machine, after some months or some years, print and cut will be from the market, because the price of the machine is somewhere around 6 lakh rupees, and the overall roll, the media roll cost is 11,000 rupees for just 20 inches wide into 20 meters in length. Whereas our PITPAT film is not more than 11,000 rupees for 24 inches wide and 100 meters in length. So overall, the cost of the media is now 1/5 part of the, if we compare with your print and cut media. So as per my experience in coming years, moreover, in future, the print cost will be come down using this machine, because the ink pricing, the hot melt glue, pricing and the PET film prices will come down very soon. I think within the 3 months we can cut the printing cost by at least 70 to 80%. I mean, 70 to 80% will be the cost, not the discount actually. 20% will be, I think, we can cut on the cost when we import the material in bulk. Again, furthermore, on the fourth position is fashion vinyl PVC. See, this PVC and PU, two kind of films you can use with print and cut media. See, one I will discuss the rest of the things along with it. I am not explaining about the positives of the machine. I'll also explain the negative part of the machine also. See, using the PVC or PU vinyl, this kind of fabric you can print. Definitely, you can print, but you cannot print in neon colors. I mean, fluorescent colors you cannot print with this machine because there is no fluorescent ink in the machine. So you have to use PVC or PU vinyl vinyls with cutting plotters if you want to print in neon colors, reflective media, or glow in the dark kind of application. So this machine only can print a color transfers, not the reflective transfers or high density transfers or glow in the dark transfer or the neon color printing stuffs. Now, the PU vinyl same in the same way you can see regular neon, metallic, pattern, texture, felt, reflective, sparkle, glow in the dark, and the brick. See, these kind of special kind of vinyls, definitely you can use with your vinyl cutters. This machine cannot replace this stuff. But print and cut media definitely will be removed, replaced with this system because the printing cost will be the one fifth, just the one fifth part of the print and cut media if we are comparing. Sixth one is glow in the dark. Definitely, you cannot print glow in the dark PVCs using this machine. But the application of these kind of stuff is very low in the market. People are asking to print like regular t-shirts, cotton t-shirts, or polyester cotton t-shirts with full color. Again, high density transfers like Fila and silicon transfer, 3D transfers like PO or this like Puma or metallic 3D transfers cannot made by this machine. For this kind of application, you have to stick with the old systems what you are using right now. So these are some other kind of application you cannot make with this machine. But for special kind of printing, you can use this printing along with the other print and cut media or any screen printings. Together, you can make fusion of the printings together onto the fabric to get a very good quality looking commercial products. See, this is a OK printer which can print with white toners. This this machine will also definitely have a trouble when people will use this kind of machine because the overall cost of the A3 size printing is somewhere around 150 rupees to 200 rupees if we are printing on OK printers. But when we print on this machine, the print cost will be somewhere around 30 rupees for A3 size. So 30 rupees, 200 rupees, huge difference. So in the coming future, maybe these kind of machines will be replaced by this kind of product. So here is the product. Now I'm explaining theoretically. Again, we'll move to the machine practically. We'll print it. I'll explain you how you can use this machine. So this machine is having, you can see this kind of machine is having two parts, two machines together work together. One is the printer, which is actually printing. Second one is the curing unit, which is actually powder and curing, both powder and shaker. This unit is applying some powder onto the wet film. Again, there is some part. I'll show you practically that shaker is actually shaking the film, so that excess powder will be, cut down from the film. And again, finally here you can see the overall, product will be fusing in this section. Again, the fan will cool down, and here the overall roll will be wide up. So this is the front of the machine. This is machine having two print heads, 4720. Yeah, common name is PC23200. Print head will work like one is with CMYK, another one is white, 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 white. So altogether it's having five colors: cyan, magenta, yellow, black, along with the digital white inks. So this machine will print color first, and further it will print overlay white onto the design, and that wet design will then go through the powder unit. It will apply hot melt glue powder. Again, it will shake the excess powder from the film, and finally it cures, and the overall process is 100% automated. You cannot do it manually. You have to just take care of the machine. The rest of the thing will be managed by a machine itself. Here you can see the rest of the things I'll do practically along with the system. Again, finally, here you can see there are the applications. You can print this kind of stuff: bags, school bags, caps. A lot of products you can print. There is no problem at all. So finally, this is the end of the presentation. Now I'm showing you some videos. These videos are actually a practical use of the transfers. What is the difference between the digital and the screen transfers? Some people are using digital transfer, digital laser printers to print on PET film. Again, they are applying a white under base and applying this powder manually and curing it manually. So what are the problem with that? I will explain in this video. So I'm starting a video for you. Just have a look. Hello friends, good morning. आज हम लाइव डेमो करने वाले हैं जिसका कि Here I'm explaining that this is उसका आज हम लाइव a transfer. Print करके दिखाएंगे. We have some transfer. One, this is one of the transfer is from laser printer, color laser printer, having a white underbase which has been done manually, and the powder and the curing is all is manually driven. So I'm transferring first the manual work, job work, so that you can see the difference. The transfer time is somewhere around 150 degrees for 10 seconds is okay. Then you have to make cold peel. Again, if you want some shine, you have to use the Teflon sheet and again cure it for 10 seconds. You'll get very shiny print. If you want some dull print, you have to use rice paper to make it dull. Here, this is the problem with the manual machine. Here you can see a lot of white is actually, you can see underneath the black printing. So manually, if you want to print using any laser printer, when you're applying white inks, there will be a problem. There will be a registration problem. So you don't have to use this kind of stuff. Laser printer feel is not good. Very plasticky feel is there. So here you can see the problem with the screen printing stuff. Here you can see the white.
अभी हम पेट फिल्म का
exact
जो दूसरा हमारे पास सैंपल है.
Lot of white is actually showing underneath from the black. The overall result is not good. So here, this transfer is from our machine. Because it's a digital transfer, you can You can stop the machine if you have any registration problem. You can stop the machine. You can readjust it. It's a matter of just 10 seconds. Normally, for 1 day full use of machine, you don't need to align the
15 सेकंड
color and the white throughout
12
day.
सेकंड
There is no
10
problem.
सेकंड भी काफी है। हम लोग 15 सेकंड दे रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारी मशीन
So,
हाइड्रोलिक है, तो ये
this
सेकंड
is-
एक्स्ट्रा बैटरी।
Yeah.
अभी हम इसको
Here you can see the final printing of the transfer. The feel is good. This demo I will do it again. Now I am starting another video, which is actually a test we have done. We have washed this t-shirt for 1.5 hours in a fully automatic machine with the regular clothes. After 1 hour, 1.5 hour of washing,
वॉश के बाद इस पे काफी रिंकल्स
we
वगैरह
remain it in the air drying, and now we are applying iron
इसकी
test
सेटिंग जो है प्रेस की
onto
ये
the
अभी
t-shirt.
सिल्क पे रखा है।
So first of all,
तो अगर हम
we have
इसको अभी
used
press करते हैं,
the smallest
let's see,
portion like silk applied on it. There is
t-shirt
no
को हम
problem.
पूरी तरह से प्रेस कर रहे हैं।
There is no stickiness.
इसके रिंकल्स जो हैं
Colors are
आप देख
still
रहे हैं कि
okay.
t-shirt प्रेस हो रहा है और हमने
Transfer is
इसके
good.
ऊपर भी प्रेस किया है।
Overall
बिल्कुल भी
t-shirt
चिपक
is
नहीं रहा है
now wrinkle free.
इसका स्टिकीनेस जो है
Now we will increase the temperature to the one-third, I mean
Technically,
third, fourth of the
इसको
overall
press भी कर
temperature.
सकते हैं।
We have not tested on the
Temperature को
cotton
बढ़ा
because
रहा हूँ।
most of the
इसको
clothes
थोड़ा
are,
और
being sticky
वूल पे कर रहा
at
हूँ
this
इसको।
temperature.
वूल के बाद कॉटन
So
है।
this is the maximum temperature we are using.
On the other side,
It's like silk, synthetic. With this, I don't have any problem. You can see
हो रहा है बस।
after washing. Now we are doing some iron
तो
test.
अभी हमने इसको वूल पे किया है।
There is no problem at all.
ज़्यादा है प्रेस का। तो टेक्निकली हम इसको
So it's proven that after the washing you can use iron on this transfer, like unlike Plastisol, which is having a huge problem with the
इसका वॉशिंग
transfers. So the result of this,
ऑटोमेटिक मशीन में
Test.
1 घंटे तक वॉश किया है।
here you can see
तो द रिजल्ट इज
the transfer is good.
ये हमारा
There is
second
no
test
problem
है।
at all.
Thank you.
So please, Mr. Joshi is from Dehradun. Hello, sir. So can you tell me everything is okay? Voice is clear, video is okay, resolution is okay. How many wash the print will stuck? See, we have used 6 to 7 times till time, because you have to bear it. Again, we have to wash it. Again, we have to bear it and again wash it. So overall, when you do this kind of testing, you'll get the actual, result, real thing about the printing and the transfer. So, okay, so video is good, voice is okay. Please say yes. Okay. Great, great, great. So अभी तक हमने जो भी किया है वो हमने लास्ट टाइम भी डिस्कस किया था. अभी मैं थोड़ा सा आपको सैंपल्स दिखाने वाला हूं इसके, जो हमने इससे टेस्ट किए. Like see, this is yellow fabric and we have printed human face. जो भी फोटो हमें कस्टमर ने भेजा हमने उस पर प्रिंट किया है. अपन ये दिखाइएगा, ये थोड़ा सा राइट पे करिए, आउट ऑफ फोकस है, थोड़ा पीछे मेरी तरफ, फोकस नहीं कर पा रहा है कैमरा, बाकी तो सब सही लग रहा है। थोड़ा और आगे करिए, फोकस में नहीं है, थोड़ा सा और। ओके, सो वी हैव प्रिंटेड, या प्लीज। सो वी हैव यूज्ड, ये हमने यूज किया along with the Teflon, this way. This print is shiny but has been having very smooth, बहुत प्यारा इसका फील है। ये हमने प्रिंट किया है, ये तो आपको खैर से दूसरे भी दिख जाएगा, ये दिख जाएगा आपको। So on white, see, using the same transfer can affect the result if you are changing the fabric. हमने अलग अलग टाइप के, जैसे ये है, ये प्लीज टाइप का है, ये बहुत थिक कपड़ा है, इसके ऊपर ट्रांसफर जो है ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट काइंड में आ रहा है, इसमें शाइनिंग थोड़ी सी ज्यादा आ रही है। राइस पेपर अगर यूज करेंगे तो शाइनिंग को डल कर सकते हैं। सबसे जो प्यारा ट्रांसफर है हमारा वो ये रहा है, इसमें कोई फील नहीं आया, बिल्कुल कोई फील नहीं है, बिल्कुल 100% स्मूथ इसका रिजल्ट हुआ है। ये सारा कुछ हमने ट्रांसफर किया था अपने मशीन आने से पहले, नो फील। सो नाउ हम लोग यहाँ से अब हटा के अपना सेटअप, इज देयर एनी क्वेश्चन? मेरे ख्याल से काफी सारे क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं। एक मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा हूँ, आई एम सेंडिंग वन लिंक, this link is for your questions. You can ask any question here and our team will reply it as soon as possible. Even मैं भी कोशिश करता हूँ कि आपको मैं इस पे रिप्लाई करूँ। अभी तक किसी ने यहाँ पे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा है। चैट के अंदर क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे वो बहुत ज्यादा नीचे चला जाएगा, तो ढूंढना पॉसिबल नहीं होता है। तो आप क्वेश्चन जो है जितना भी आपका है ये गूगल फॉर्म्स के ऊपर पूछ सकते हैं। अभी मैं थोड़े से क्वेश्चन ले रहा हूँ जो मेरे यहाँ अभी पूछ लिए गए हैं। कैन वी ट्रांसफर प्रिंट विदाउट व्हाइट पैकिंग? नो, हमने ये टेस्ट किया है, आप इसको ट्रांसफर बना सकते हैं, वो ट्रांसफर हो भी जाता है, बट उसमें जो ग्लू का स्ट्रेंथ रहता है वो बहुत ही कम रहता है। तो व्हाइट इंक इज एक्चुअली connect the color ink and the TPU binder so that it is actually give you more washing life after printing. तो मुझे लगता है कि व्हाइट, हाँ, आपको 100% व्हाइट लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है। देयर आर मेनी ऑप्शन इन द प्रिंटर that you can use like 20% of white and it will help you to bind color and TPU together. Yes, नितिन जी, आप किसी तरह के भी टी शर्ट प्रिंट कर सकते हैं, इसमें कोई भी रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है। आप जो हुडीज है वो प्रिंट करें, आप डेनिम प्रिंट करें, आप टी शर्ट प्रिंट करें, आप नेक लेबल प्रिंट करें, सभी कुछ पॉसिबल है। रिजल्ट का फर्क आ सकता है। Mr. Marx is asking, hello, we are coming from Germany. Is it possible to get sample of the t-shirts? Mr. Marx, I'll try to send some samples. Last time I have sent some samples to USA. It's now more than 15 days. It is not delivered yet. I don't know what's the problem. Due to Corona, everything is actually delayed. So I'll try to send you some samples. You please write your address into this link I have given here. You can see here on the right side. You can see the link. You can ask for the samples. I'll make it for you. Okay. Mr. Murgas ji is asking, cloth will be thick after printing? It's a good question. If you can see here, if I'm showing you this one, no, touch मत करो, अभी रख दो, camera maybe stop. So the feel is, here you can see there is no feel. If we compare with the plastisol or screen printing, the overall feel, if the plastisol, you can say it as 100 point, the overall feel of this transfer is like less than 10. So there is no feel, but of course there is some feel, but it's not more than 6 to 7% if we are comparing with the plastisol. So this is acceptable. This is having no problem. But when we print on 100% polyester, then we are having some feel, maybe like 10 or 12, not more than that. But this is acceptable. When you have some printing on the fabric, you have must have a ink layer in on it, and this layer will be look like a sticker. But if you are using Teflon sheet, you will get some shine. If you are using rice paper, there is no shine at all. You can control the shine and the feel again. Is there any special whiting from such swimwear fabric? Swimwear is 100% polyester, if I'm not wrong. Uh, Let me check a sample for you. लड़की वाला सैंपल यहाँ पे होगा. Can you give me? लड़की वाला जो सैंपल है, बच्ची का सैंपल था, एक्स्ट्रा सा व्हाइट कलर की टी शर्ट है. See, we have printed on 100% polyester fabric, 100%. उसमें again, yes, please give me. This is a sample of 100% polyester, very cheap. And here the same stuff is actually using in swimwear, and there is no feel. You don't have to use special kind of whiting. The same inks and the media you can use along with this, no problem at all. Mr. Nitin Kumar is asking, is it possible to see more live demo at your place available in Delhi? Yes, of course. By tomorrow, I will not available in Delhi. Day after tomorrow, you can come. Anybody can come. Anybody can come to Delhi at our Kalkaji office. Machine is here. You can come with your samples. You can get the samples done from here. And till next Saturday, the machine is in Delhi itself for your demo. No problem. You're welcome. You can come anytime. So again, the question is, can we transfer without backing? I have seen sample from other YouTube the founder left onto the print. Mr. Goel is asking, I have seen some. See, I cannot see all this question here. Mr. Amnu, please use this link to ask your question so that I'll get all the full length of the question. I can only see a small portion of the your question. So Mr. Tilak is asking from Nepal, is can possible sending the sample? I have tried you to send the samples, but some courier company like FedEx is asking. I think it's more than 5,000 rupees to deliver this small packet. So I'm waiting for another company like Aramex. Aramex is charging less, much lesser, not more than 500 to 600 rupees to deliver these samples to you. So I think it will be better if somebody is coming to Delhi, you can get the sample by hand. It's not a problem. Mr. Jain, A3 cost you mentioned 30 rupees is good, but what is the daily ink maintenance cost? Is any expensive? No, Mr. Jain, actually this machine is having some special features. I'll show you one by one. This is having ink circulation system. I'll explain it later. इसमें क्या है कि वो इंक सारा मशीन के अंदर घूमती रहेगी और एक फिल्टर लगा है, फिल्टर उसको लगातार फिल्टर करता रहेगा. तो इसमें हेड चोकिंग का जो प्रॉब्लम था वो 99% तो रिजॉल्व हो चुका है. So there is no problem at all. Ink head replacement cost. See, today price of the print head is almost 55,000 rupees with the print head and the decoder. together. If you have the decoder, the price will be 40 to 40,000 rupees. But the overall life of the print head is somewhere around 6 months to 12 months, depending upon the nature of the nature of the environment or environment. If the environment is dusty or this film is actually, if you are using cheap quality, if it's inferior, it can stuck with the print head. It will damage the print head very soon. So make some focus on the raw material. You don't have to buy a cheaper one. The powder is one of the kind of the product, or there is many kind of depending on fabric of kind. Uh, Mr. Romal Faisal is asking, the powder is one kind of product, or there is many kind of powder, depends to the fabric kind. See, this is a good question because we have tested more than 6 samples of the powders. You can use very cheaper to the mid range. The size of the particles should be 80 to 200 is okay. TPU is okay, but the overall feel of the garment, I mean the feel of the printing will be changed. And the in the iron test, one test in one test we have found that TPU actually left the inks, the sticker was come out. So if you are using very cheap quality powder which is not compatible with this stuff, maybe you cannot use this kind of powder with that. But we have a range of powders like from 700 rupees to 1200 rupees, depending upon the quality, the application, the running cost. You can choose it from. Can Mr. Sameer Johri is asking, can print CMYK only or RGB also? See, Mr. Johri, actually, this machine is having Mantop software. Very soon will come with the photo print, RIP, and you can print CMYK files. See, direct RGB printing. RGB is for small machine, from desktop machines. Whenever you are using a RIP, that means you are actually moving from small machine to bigger machine. So you don't need to print in RGB. RGB printing is a limitation with the smaller machines because they don't offer any RIP. RIP is expensive. So whenever you are using RIP software, that means you are intentionally printing in CMYK. And with the CMYK using a RIP, you can control each and every part, the droplet size to the ink limit to the custom ICC profiling, you can control. Washing durability of this print is good, no problem at all. You check it yourself. Even from the last webinar, I got 2 orders, online orders. They people don't have a till time he didn't visit our office, and never we have any having any deal with those companies. They have ordered 2 machines. One is from Hyderabad, one is from Pune. Was confirmed. Just I have sent the samples to them, and they have tested the sample along with their fabrics, and they have found that this machine is okay for them, and they have booked 2 machines from us. So there is no problem. Mr. Goel is asking how we install air condition because the machine is having heater connected with. No. See, Mr. Goel, we are actually we have made many changes during our practical use. See, we have a AC there. You can see in the picture. All the cooling part is actually moving towards the printer side. The air is actually blowing towards the printer side. Heater is here. Heater is here with this part, and heater is only at 150 degrees and covered from left to right. It's 100% covered. From left to right, it's only 2 to 3% open. So I think you can see a pipe over here. All the smoke, 90% of the 95% of the smoke is actually gone through this vent hole. So AC is a must. Otherwise, you cannot, stay that very heating environment. So I don't think you have to forget about this. You have must use air condition. In winters you don't have to use air condition. No problem. So I think I have three questions. So I'm again requesting you to ask your questions here. Now I am shifting to the machine, and Aman, you just follow me. Just remove the camera from here. Aditya, start the machine. Yeah, yeah, you can start the printing. First of all, मेरे को explain करना चाहिए. Please come. If you have any problem with the voice, please let me know. There, please show it here. This is the printer. आप इस पे दो प्रिंट हेड अभी देख रहे हैं. The other side is white print head, and this one is color. सबसे पहले नीचे underneath of the white you can see there is a color printing is going on. पत्ती थोड़ा पीछे कर दो. पत्ती थोड़ा पीछे करो. आने दो. Yes. अभी here you can see the color printing is going on live, and white is printed as overlay. Here you can see this white is wet. Now this will shift. Stop from here. This is powder applicator. Here you can see a powder sprinkler. Now the sprinkler is moving. This will sprinkle a very small fine layer of powder onto the thing. Here you can see. I think you can see. Let me check. Yes. See, live video resolution is never be good. Take out the lid. इसको भी शेक नहीं करना है. I think now video is okay. Yes, of course. I will set this video to YouTube. You can see there, but still you can see the powders. Powder is actually sprinkled onto the film, and now film will shift towards the heater. Now come here again. You can see. अभी इस पे प्रिंटिंग जो चल रही है, आपका लोगो प्रिंट हो रहा है. ये हमारे किसी पार्टी के सैंपल्स ही हैं. He's from Bangalore. Mr. Josh. He's from Kerala. He's from Kerala. The sample belongs to Mr. Josh Joy from Kerala. Now this printing is going on. Now, okay. Show this part. There is a lag. Okay, video is not coming good. Okay, we are shooting this video very soon. Maybe within 2 hours, you'll get this video on YouTube. Now you can see this is white ink stirrer. This is a white ink circulation system. This black thing you are watching this time is a kind of filtration system. And this CMYK and white is always on. Throughout printing, it's moving throughout the pipe actually. White is totally circulation in between the pipes via print head dampers. So the amount damper are getting is actually, it's okay, printing is okay. Now come here. Now here you can see there is a fan. No, you can see. Make it fast. Yeah, yeah. Right. This is a fan which is actually shakes the print head. Oh, move it, move it. Yes. Okay. Now we are doing some sampling only. So we have short printing. Okay. अभी यहाँ पे एक सिस्टम और काम कर रहा है. जैसे ही ये प्रिंट यहाँ पे होके पाउडर अप्लाई होगा, जितना ये पेपर रिलीज होगा ड्यूरिंग प्रिंटिंग, उतना ही आगे ये आगे लिपट जाएगा उसके ऊपर, रोल्स के ऊपर. So you do not have to worry about the system. This is fully automated and driven by a proximity sensor. And this white thing, I'm not coming, near to this thing. This is anti-static. This is anti-static rod. तो ये जो पाउडर उड़ेगा पेट फिल्म के ऊपर, तो ये स्टैटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पैदा करेगा. तो दिस विल डिस्चार्ज द स्टैटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. स्टैटिक को कम करना. Here you can see, not touching. This is, you can hear now. This is the static. This is the static. This will 100% remove the static from the air. You don't have to worry about anything. Now, here is the heater unit. Yes. Come with me. This is the heater unit. Here you can see the heaters are working. थोड़ा कैमरा हम घुमा रहे हैं. Here you can see, because we have to tilt the camera, there is no other choice. So the heaters are working like this. Now you can move the camera. So what's there? So make it, इसको bake करो. Until time we are making some samples for you. Now you can remove the phone from the stand. We'll make some samples transfer. Please come here. Just focus here. Here you can see I'm applying one transfer here. Study. This is 100% polyester. It's more than things. Here is the transfer. Beautiful transfer. Can you hear me? वीडियो तो आपको वही दिख रहा होगा. Just touch on the screen so that you can focus. पूरा लोगो इकट्ठा दिखाइए फोकस करके. Okay. Is everything okay? Can you hear me? Please say yes. Okay, right. And this is transfer on fluorescent. See. Here you can see the dots. This is rice made fabric, but here is very fine image. You cannot even see this thing. The texture of the fabric onto the transfer. Yes, you can see the computer file. Aman, just go here. Aditya, what's going on? Okay, transfer. Okay. You just make a file. Now you go to the computer. Straight, rakho straight. It's out of focus. Camera is out of focus. एक फाइल बनाओ. एनी फाइल जो भी चल रहा है ना इसका मेन टॉप में फाइल बनाओ. बस वो ज्यादा नहीं है. ये जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल से. अमन जी थोड़ा सा और आगे करना पड़ेगा आपको. यस आई थिंक. इज दैट ओके नाउ? अच्छे से दिख रहा है. आई होप बिकॉज इस लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग एंड बैंडविड्थ का भी थोड़ा सा इशू रहता ही है. काफी लोग 30-31 लोग अभी देख रहे हैं एक ही चीज को. सो मे बी देयर इज सम लैग इन बिटवीन द वीडियो, बट ओवरऑल थिंग विल बी ओके. हो गया? Is this okay? कैमरा आपने उल्टा पकड़ रखा है क्या? मिरर आ रही है. ठीक है ओके ओके ओके. राइट. सो दिस इज द प्रिंट मैनेजर. यहाँ से फाइल आपकी पीआरटी या पीआरएन फाइल बन के आ जाएगी. एक मिनट दो. ठीक है वहां से उनको दे लो. आई होप नाउ यू कैन सी. यहाँ मुझे तो ये उल्टा दिख रहा है मिरर में. आई डोंट नो आपको ये मिरर में दिख रहा है या सीधा दिख रहा है. एक्चुअली इट्स फ्लिप. मिरर मेरे को यहाँ मिरर दिख रहा है. आई डोंट नो मुझे दिख रहा है उनको भी. सो आप लोगों को ये जो वीडियो भी दिख रहा है ये मिरर दिख रहा है या सही दिख रहा है? प्लीज टेल मी. ओके कम हियर. अभी हमने एक नेक लेबल ब्रांड लेबल लगाया है. मैं आपको वो भी दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ. ये हमारा एक ब्रांड है, क्लोथिंग ब्रांड है जो हमने स्टार्ट किया है. Perfect. I hope जाना होगा। ठीक है, एक बार ये एक वहां पे भी दिखा दीजिए। राइट, आप भी कैमरा कर लीजिए, थोड़ा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स दे लेते हैं अभी। So have you have any problem with the audio or the video? Please say yes if you have any problem with my video. No for okay if you are okay with the audio. Yeah, you can do. थोड़ा सा ऊपर करना पड़ेगा आपको, स्विच ऑफ हो जाएगा वो, थोड़ा देख के करिएगा, देख के करिएगा। थोड़ा सा वीडियो उसको कैमरा अप करना है, या आप पहले पकड़ लीजिए आप। आदित्य हेल्प, आपको छोड़ दो, हाथ में लग जाएगा। थोड़ा सा मेरा फेस कट रहा है आदित्य। I think it's a live streaming, so we have to adjust. No, you don't have to clean the print head. It's automatic. No, 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 not at all. You just have to switch off the machine. No need to do anything. So finally, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. So finally, we are at Q&A session. We are having 34 people along with us. It's more than 1 hour. Now we can start our Q&A session. I have shared a PDF file. This is the catalog of the product, so you can get this. I have only 3 questions with us. The cost of the daily maintenance cost. See, there is no daily maintenance cost. Yes, in the cleaning, you have to do a cleaning cycle. In one cleaning session, you have to spend 20 rupees to 30 rupees, not more than that, in one cleaning. This is the cost of the color and the white inks together. So it's not expensive. In the long run, I mean, in the production run, it will be like very, very low. Mr. Marx is asking for the samples from the Germany. Mr. Marx, please share your business address so that I'll share you the samples. No problem. Here is our website. You can get our details here. And this is our Facebook group. You can use our group to sell your goods or get the latest technologies. Please do share our videos, and this is our Facebook group. You can join this. Okay, Mr. George is asking, design myself in Adobe Illustrator, so I just need the machine to print on T-shirt, or I'll need the software. See, this machine is having everything along with this machine. I mean, this machine is having a printer, it's having curing unit, it's having the RIP software. Everything is bundled along with it. There is no problem at all. See, on wood we have tried and it succeed. On wood, soft wood is okay. On ceramic, I have not tried because I don't have cup machine, transfer machine here. But I have transferred into the PU. I'll show you. I'll show you one sample. Aman, please give me the album. I'm showing you one sample. Here is the sample. This is PU. This is actually a wedding album. We have tested on it. And this is the transfer. This is a perfect transfer. There is no problem at all. I think, I hope you can see this. Yes. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Focus is perfect. Yes, you can do printing on PU also. There is no problem at all. If you can send me samples, your sample files, I can make samples for you. There is no problem. So, unable to hear anything. Is there any problem with the voice? I think voice is okay. Everybody is listening. But Mr. Nitin Kumar is asking, unable to hear anything. So, is there any problem with the voice? Clear. Okay. Is there small equipments to print only one samples? Is this small equipment print only one sample? Yes, of course. If you have seen, I have 15 by 15 inches transfer machine. I have 4 inches by 4 inches neck level printing machine. I can show you. There's the machine. I'm showing you. This one. Okay, okay. This white one. Let me show you. This one. This is the small machine. This is 4 by 4. Very small in size. This you can use for your neck level printing. No problem at all. And this is for t-shirts. For t-shirts. And here's some more transfers. Like here, देखो पहले पेंदा बेस होना चाहिए सही. Okay, right. Thank you. So okay, Mr. Paresh R. Gandhi is asking that can we do have a desktop printer? Mr. Gandhi, desktop printer, we are working on it. Maybe in month or two, we'll launch any desktop printer. We are working on it. But the most of the important thing, you have to get a reliable product. See, on YouTube, there are many videos that showing that Epson L1800 is working fine. See, I have to explain that Epson L1800 is having 1.5 picoliter print head. For this white and color DTG printing, you must have 3.5 to 5 point onwards picoliter print heads to work with. So you need a proper suction system, heavy pumps within the machines so that you do not have any choking. So white ink always need circulation system to move within the pipes so that it will be like work 100% proper way. Otherwise, it will settle down into the pipes and the front head will be damaged. So whatever product we will offer, we'll test it for 2 or 3 months. If it works for 90 days continuously, I'll sell it. Otherwise, I will not sell that product because we have a lot of buyers, online buyers. They are having a lot of trust on us, so we don't have to do this kind of fake videos, which is actually uh, you know by using that kind of machine, a lot of Chinese printers are not working these days. Like UV printer, most of the UV printers are not working. They don't have support. So whenever we have a dealer network in South India, in Mumbai, Maharashtra, in Indore, in Kolkata, in Delhi, and Punjab. So we have a wide service network with our Chinese sublimation machines partners. They are selling. They are already into the business. So whatever product we'll sell, we offer you support on site. Maybe in the future we'll sell this machine at 7.5 lakh rupees with 1 year warranty. That is not putting on print head. The rest of the machine will have 1 year warranty on it, on-site warranty on it. This time the machine is on booking. The price we are offering is 6.5 lakh rupees, but this is only for the month of September. After September, I mean from the October onwards, the price is going high because the freights and the custom duty and all the expenses, when we have calculated that we have to increase the cost up to 7 lakh rupees, and it will go like 7.5 lakh rupees in month or two when we have ready stock in our warehouse. So without any waiting period, you can buy the machine the same day. You'll have to pay 7.5 lakh rupees. If you want to buy immediately, you have to pay 7.5 lakh rupees from the month of November onwards. Now the machine is a booking. Booking means you have to pay 3 lakh rupees. The machine will be delivered in 30 to 40 days. You have, there is a delay actually. We have to get the machine from China, and we have to source other things. So it will take them 30 to 40 days because it's a new product. We have to procure all the ingredients, all the raw materials, all the stuff along with it. So in future, maybe we'll have within stock, but the price will be high. This time you can book from 31st, 30 September onwards, the price will be 7 lakh rupees. Now this time, this machine is under booking. You can book at 6.5 lakh rupees before 30 September. You can come down to Delhi. You can make a sample. You can check the machine, and from 4th October, this machine will go for selling 2 days in Ludhiana, and then it will be delivered to our customer. This is already sold. So Mr. Jory is asking, it print how many colors? Mr. Jory, this is very. This question is actually, you can print n number of colors. There is no color bar. We have a printer. Can we give you ink? We can provide you pet film, powder, inks from November onwards, because all the bulk items are under selling, and it will come around last week of October. So after that, in November, you can buy anything from us. If you have printer, you can buy raw material from us. There is no problem. What is the spare part and technical support? Sir, you have asked that what as the spare parts and the tech support. You just do one practice. You just search for any person who can handle Chinese machine. There must be any Chinese machine in your area, which is somebody can using with eco solvent or some sublimation. The same person can handle this machine, can repair this machine. Rest of the spare part is our responsibility. Within the warranty period, it will be free of charge. After the warranty, it will be chargeable like that. Mr. Nadeem Saifi is asking for any finance options. See, I'll raise you the quotation. You can go to your bank and get the funds. No problem. We are not in the financials. We are not offering any financial amounts for this machine. We are on the machine seller. In warranty, head is also included the damage of 1 year. No, Mr. Anup Goel, heads are not under the warranty. In any Chinese machines, head are not coming under warranty. But you can say if you are a user of Chinese machines, the machine print head will work fine, no problem at all, because the head print head belongs to Epson, and these are very reliable print heads. Only physical damage or any problem with your technician will cause this kind of issues. Otherwise, the life is minimum at 6 months to 12 months, no problem at all. In between, depending on the work you are doing. Production speed, Mr. Rajesh Kumar is asking for the production speed. See, you can print up to minimum 1 roll to 2 roll, 200 meters of 24 inch wide. You can print easily in a day, no problem at all. So the print head cost are already given is 42,000 rupees plus GST without decoder. With the decoder, the price will be like for 55,000 rupees this time. What is the cost of the inks? Mr. Nandar Pathare is asking what is the cost of the inks. See, the white inks are 6,500 rupees a liter, and the color ink is 4,500 rupees a liter this time when it's come by air. From November onwards, the price of the white ink will be somewhere around 5,600 rupees, and color will be less than 4,000 rupees, and with a fraction of time you can get the prices. I've already told you that at least 10 to 20% the price of the raw material will come down. There is no problem. Do we get the pet roll inks along with the machine initially? See, 6.5 price is like a very good price for the machine, but this don't have any paper roll ink along with it. This is only for powder shaking curing unit and the printer along with two print heads with on-site warranty support and installation. Rest of the things you have to order individually as per your requirement. So I think if you have any questions, more questions, you can ask me. You must uh, subscribe our Facebook group and get benefited because we'll having some offer all the time and latest product techniques, how to use it, videos on YouTube, and again I'll show you my YouTube video uh, channel. Here you can search. Just do subscribe our channel. I'm sending you the link of our channel. Just do subscribe this channel for further information instantly. Please share, like it. This is our YouTube channel. Just subscribe it and watch the videos we have did. This is our fifth or sixth webinar about the printing. We are only concerned about the printing, designing, and all. This time I am in my Delhi office, and the people you can come into Delhi, you can come, no problem. Have a demo. The people who don't come, you can send me. You can send me the design files. I can make prints for you. So I think that there is no more questions now. Is there any special RIP software for this of color management? Yes, definitely, of course. We are now working with the main top, but very soon we will switch it to the photo print, and we are doing color management for it. Very hard stuff for it for free. You don't have to pay any charge for this. That is our responsibility. The color management will be done by us and will be free of charge. No need to pay. Is there any question? Please let me know. This video will come YouTube live within 3 to 4 hours. And if there is any miss, any lag in the video, you can so you see watch it repeatedly anytime. So I think it's a very small initiative from us, and I hope you got some information. You have spent your Sunday with us. I have taken your 2 hours from your Sunday time. So thank you so much. The RIP can calculate print fee. This RIP cannot. This this RIP cannot able to calculate the print fee, but I have the software. I can. I can tell you how much it. See, if you can give me some file, I can tell you that how many volumes of the inks are consumed by color. I mean, how much cyan is used, how much white is used. So there's no problem at all. So overall print cost will be. I'll show you 20 paisa per square inch. I forgot 20 paisa per square inch at the most. If you are printing stuff like this, the cost will be like 16, 17, 18 paisa per square inch. But if the whole surface is covered with the ink, the print costs not more than 20 paisa per square inch. So I hope everything is clear now. If you have any questions, please let me know. This is my direct unofficial email ID. You can ask any question from here. This is my WhatsApp number. Please WhatsApp only. If you have any query, and I'm also sharing. If you want to call us, I have Mr. Maman Tejpal 981 1500. Yes. At this number, you can call anytime and have any. If you have any inquiry, you can talk with Mr. Aman Tejpal. So thank you so much. Still 25 people are with us. Thank you so much. This is very small initiative from us. If you have any question, please let us know. Thank you so much. You can come day after tomorrow in Delhi if you want to come the demo, see the demo. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.